everyone, this is Jia. Today we'll be making squid soup, which is Ojingeo-guk. Lots of people are scared to work with squid, and that's mostly because they know if they overcook it, you're gonna end up with something that has a texture of like rubber bands, very tough. But don't worry, today I'll show you how to cook it properly. I'm going to show you a few techniques that makes the squid tender and delicious. We want to start from making a stock. To make a simple, easy stock, I'm going to use dry kelp and hot water. Here I have hot water and I'm using 3 big pieces of kelp. Just soak in hot water and set it aside for about 20 minutes until the water cools down to a room temperature. In the meantime, let's prepare other ingredients. Let's start from zucchini. Next is daikon radish. Just make sure that you cut in a similar size. And the onion. Let's chop the chilies. Okay. The veggies and tofu is all prepared. Next is squid. So I cleaned the squid. We need to open it and then score it. So put this side, the board. Cut all the way down. Carefully open it and hold the legs of the squid and carefully good. And there is a thing that looks like plastic, so this is a bone of the squid, so we don't need this. I'm going to throw that away. We want to use the legs, so just cut the legs of the squid. Put this aside. You don't need this guy. Just take this part away. And then I want to rinse the squid in a running cold water, and I'll be back. The squid is clean now. We want to score it. Okay. First, I want to take this part separate from the body of the squid. So I'm taking this part away. And then inside of the squid, we want to score it using a knife. Use the knife in about 40-degree angle and then cut it. Don't cut all the way down. Just literally score the squid. You want to cut this way and thinly slice the squid. It's done. Let's start cooking. Let's pour the stock to the pot. Kelp itself doesn't have a strong flavor, but by soaking dried kelp to warm water, it gives a wonderful flavor. Heat the pot, medium heat, and we want to add the radish and the zucchini first. And when they are part cooked, we're going to add the squid, tofu and other vegetables. The soup is boiling now. I want to skim off a little bit and add the rest of the ingredients. We have onion, minced garlic, tofu, chilies. You can add chilies to your taste. If you want spicy, you can add more. If you don't like spicy, you can reduce or take that out. And of course, squid. And stir. And today I'm using salted shrimp. In Korea we call it 새우젓. If you don't have it, you can substitute to any fish sauce that you have. About 1 tablespoon. One of the tips that make this soup delicious is we're using a few different seasoning. I use this salted shrimp, and this is light soy sauce. If you don't have it, you can of course use salt. Just using fish sauce and salt tastes also very nice. And I'm using 1 pinch of salt. And cook it in a medium-high heat again. And last one is sliced green onion on the top. And turn off the heat. Okay, don't overcook the squid. We cooked the soup with squid in it for less than 5 minutes, for about 5 minutes. Let's turn off the heat and paste it. Make sure zucchini, the radish, everything is fully cooked. And of course, the squid. It's very tender, flavorful, so nice. I didn't add any chili flakes, gochugaru, to it, but still has a nice kick because we added chili in it. If you don't like spicy, again, you can take that out. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.